Hey guys, so this is the easiest way to set or record a high score in Scratch. So first, let's just say you already have a game, all right? And then you just simply need these few blocks so that you can record your high score. So give me a moment right here. So this one and then forever. And then if the next, we're going to be doing operators. We're going to be going to variables. I've already picked out variables a while ago. Excuse me, but we need to create a new one. Okay, let's just create high score real quick. Okay. So if score is greater than high score, then set high score to score. And this is the easiest way to create and record a high score in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.